Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Peaceful Mind, Restful Night. I'm Maya, and today we're talking about something we all struggle with: stress, anxiety, and how they steal our peaceful sleep. To help us unwind, I'm joined by the wonderful Lina, a mindfulness coach and sleep specialist who's been helping people find calm in the chaos. Welcome, Lina.
Hi, Maya. I'm so happy to be here. Just talking about peaceful sleep already makes me feel calmer.
Same here. So let's dive right in. Stress and anxiety seem to be everywhere, from work, social media, even just the constant noise of modern life. Why do you think so many people struggle to relax these days?
That's such a great question. We live in a world that constantly demands our attention. Our minds rarely get a break. We're always scrolling, planning, comparing, or worrying. And when we finally go to bed, the brain says, finally, time to process everything. That's why thoughts often rush in the moment our heads hit the pillow.
Yes, that's exactly it. I've been there, lying in bed, exhausted, but my mind starts replaying every little thing I said during the day.
You're not alone. That's anxiety trying to keep control. The key is to teach the body and mind that it's safe to rest.
So, what's actually happening in the body when we're stressed and can't sleep?
When we're stressed, our body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. It's useful in the daytime when we need energy or focus. But at night, cortisol blocks melatonin, which is the sleep hormone. So even if we're tired, our body is in alert mode.
So, it's like trying to sleep with an alarm bell ringing inside you.
Exactly. And many people try to fix it by scrolling through their phones or watching something relaxing, but that blue light actually tells the brain it's daytime.
Oh, I've definitely done that. So, what can we do instead?
There are several gentle ways to signal to your body that it's time to unwind. My top 3 are: 1. Body relaxation. Try progressive muscle relaxation. Tighten and release each muscle group from your toes to your head. 2. Mind dump. Write down every worry or thought before bed so it doesn't spin in your mind. 3. Breathing. Practice the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It slows the heart rate and activates calm.
I love the 4-7-8 method. It's simple but powerful.
Yes, and consistency matters more than perfection. Even 5 minutes every night can shift your entire sleep pattern.
Let's talk about creating that cozy bedtime environment. What does your perfect nighttime ritual look like?
For me, it starts an hour before bed. I dim the lights, put my phone away, and make a cup of chamomile tea. I love to play soft instrumental music or nature sounds. Then I spend a few minutes journaling gratitude. It turns my focus from what's wrong to what's right.
That's beautiful. I recently started using lavender oil on my pillow. It's such a small thing, but it makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Our senses are powerful. Scent, sound, even touch. They can train the brain to associate bedtime with peace.
Sometimes, though, people try all these tips and still struggle. What do you tell your clients when anxiety keeps coming back?
I remind them healing takes patience. Stress and anxiety aren't enemies. They're signals. Instead of fighting them, we can listen and ask, "What are you trying to tell me?" That soft curiosity can turn panic into peace.
That's so gentle. I think people need to hear that it's okay to take small steps.
Yes, and self-compassion is the most powerful sleep aid of all.
Before we end, would you guide us through a short relaxation we can do before bed?
Of course. If you're listening, find a comfortable position. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your shoulders drop. Feel your body sink into the bed or chair. Now, imagine a soft wave of calm energy moving from the top of your head down to your toes. With each exhale, let go of one thing you don't need: tension, worry, pressure. You are safe, you are enough, you are allowed to rest.
I feel calmer already. Thank you, Lina, for this soothing conversation. I hope everyone listening feels a little lighter tonight. Remember, peace is a practice, not a destination. Thank you, Maya. Sleep peacefully, everyone. Good night and sweet dreams.